Hey guys, this is how to play Fortnite on repeat.gg. So first thing that you will do is go to repeat.gg, and this will be the homepage, and just simply log in into your account if you have one, or if you don't have one, just simply click on sign up over here, and you can sign up with PlayStation Network, Google, Facebook, or email. So it will be depending on you. So once you are logged in, just simply click on this and just simply select where you are playing. It's either be PlayStation, desktop, Xbox, and Switch. And now just simply click on Fortnite. And after that, right away, you will see all of the tournaments that are available. So let's say I'm going to go for this one, Build Rank Duos Cup. And from here, guys, in order for you to join, just simply click on Add Game over here. And from here, just log in to your account using the Epic account. So from here, just click on it. And after that, just go ahead and provide your email and password. And guys, once it is connected, automatically you will be joining the tournament. And from here, when you click on leaderboard, you will see who is the number one on the tournament, and you'll be able to see what place are you in as well. And when you go to the prize pool, you will see here how much you will earn if you rank number 1, 2, and 3, and so on. And from here, you will see the scoring as well, guys. As you can see, when you place the first, you will get 200 points, and the others as well. And lastly, you will have the rules, which you will have here a more detailed rules about the tournament. And guys, there you go. Just simply add the game over here and connect your Fortnite into Repeat GG, and you'll be able to join the tournament, and you will potentially earn. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.